Let's see the raw background options in Impeka. We will try to change the background on this row. So we switch to the next tab where we have opened the front-end editor of WP Bakery Page Builder. And we go to edit this row. In the row settings window, in Style tab, we will find the background type. And let's see what's available here. You can add color, image or video. Amazing, right? Let's pick the image. Now we can add a background color. Let's try this one, and we have to set our image. And let's see the result. Here is our background. Well, it doesn't look so good right now, so let's continue. We can add image type. Let's give it a try on the fixed image effect. This is a nice effect. We can change the image size or the background position. Let's try left center. And this is it. You can also change the background position on tablet portrait only. You can add pattern overlay or a color overlay. This is a nice effect, so we will try it. We'll choose the gradient and let's add two colors, this one and this one. Nice. You can also set the gradient direction, add shadow or add the on-scroll effect. We save changes and this is the background that we've created. Here is our row. You will find the same options in your inner rows too. Here. These were all the background possibilities in rows in Impeka. Thank you.